I will hang myself in front of you. Ganon ako gagago. No excuses. No apology. Your Honor, if there is an iota of truth, ayuta lang, baski konti lang, you can find out, may nilagay siya ng records. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang or pursuant to my waiver. Kung may totoo lang baski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks.